Hello everyone, this video I will show you our new product. We have designed this Tuya module that is adapted for KinCony relay controller so that you can use Tuya application and voice control by the Amazon Alexa and by the Google Home speaker. So that will be very interesting for your H32 controller connect with this board. And this board just have a ESP32 module and the Tuya module. So this function just convert the Tuya cloud server data and convert to the ESP32 and send by the IS232 output or by IS485 output. So this board you can connect with your relay controller by the IS232 or by the IS485 for long distance. So that will be useful for your mixed power distribution box so that you can install it in anywhere and will be easy to use the Tuya mobile phone application. Okay, we will look at the board details and have the demo video for you to show you how to use the Tuya application. Okay, let's look at this Tuya board that is adapted for KinCony ESP32 relay controller. You can see here is the H32BS and this is H32B, but also that support H32L and H32LW and H32 old version. So every H32 channel relay controller will support by this board. Use this board so that you can use the Tuya application and Google Home voice control and Amazon Alexa for voice control. So that will be very interesting. Okay, let's first look at the hardware details. You can see this board, that is ESP32, and this is Tuya module. And this is the Wi-Fi antenna, and this is SMA circuit. And if you want to use the ESP32 by this Wi-Fi, you can install this antenna at here, this hole. And so we can install this Wi-Fi antenna, because if you install this board in your power distribution box, so that you need to use the external antenna, not install inside of the box. And here we can see that is the power supply. So this from 9 to 24 voltage. We just use 12 voltage, and you can use this, socket connect to this black socket. Also, if you want, don't use this socket, and you can use this two hole that is 12 and ground, and as other two hole that is for IS485 A and B, so that you can connect with the H32BS have a IS485. So this, and you can connect with this, so that will be long distance. And this is Type-C, USB-C for download the code, because we have already downloaded the code. You just directly to use it, not need to write any code. And this is button reset and download for the ESP32, and this button for the Tuya, the network config. And this have some LEDs for user to use. Actually, you not need to use, unless if you want to write the Arduino code to the ESP32. So this LEDs can be used by yourself. And also you can see this jump. The jump, if you short that used for IS232, if you remove it, that will be work with this IS485. So these 2 points can't work at the same time. That's used by this jump to change which part to use. Okay, that is the in front of the PCB, and this is the back. If you want install this adapt to the DIN so this can use this one, this socket you can fix by screw on this, you can see here, so that you can install on this DIN rail. And you can see this Tuya board, just this board have installed in the power distribution box, so that install on the DIN rail. And this is 12 voltage power supply, and from this power supply. And also you can use the IS232 connect with these controllers, and also use this IS485 connect with these controllers. So it's up to you. Just just according to you will install this board. Okay, now let's take a video for demo we use for the H32BS the first time, and the second we will test with the H32B, and we'll remove this. And here you can see this board, the Tuya board. You can connect with this H32BS IS232, and the next we will connect with this IS485. Just this time we test IS232 firstly, and you can see just like this. And this is the antenna, and we can use this power because I just test in your power distribution box we support connect with this green terminal. So I can connect with it and connect with the power supply, and this connect with my power. So you can see now the LED is on and the red LED is on. Okay, let's look at how to use the Tuya application. Firstly, you can download this Tuya application from the Apple Store or by the Google Play Store. And the first time, you just need to configure the Wi-Fi SSID and the password. So make sure you have enabled the Bluetooth. And the first time, you hold down this button, that for network config. Hold on, then the red LED will be blink so that you can press this add device, and it will find the Wi-Fi Tuya module. Okay, you will see this device have been found. Then you can press add, and this card name default is H32B Pro. You can press add, and this just input your load SSID and the password. That is my office. So you just press next, and now we just waiting for the operation. Okay, you can see that have been added successfully. That Alexa also found the H32 devices. So you can press down, so that will be very easy. And now you can see this is the 32 button have displayed, so that at this time you can use this one. So you can see I can press on. You can see the output one is on. And here you can see I press this second, that will be on. And also we can use my computer. You can see I can turn on output one. You can see my mobile phone, the state will be updated. And if I turn all on, you can see, and a little, you can see all 32 button will be turned red, that is for on. So this is can update the state for output, and this is all off. You can see here is all off. So this is update state from the computer. And also you can see I can click this one is all on by my mobile phone, and this is all off. And you can see the state is update. Okay, now if you want to use Alexa for voice control, so that you just go to me, and you can see here the Alexa and the Google. So you can just use the same way to enable the voice control. So if you have used Alexa, we just click Alexa, and I have login, so you can re-log in. The first time you will need to log in, because I have logged in, so I can just click and let you see. Just click link. So the Tuya account will link with your Alexa account. So you can see the Tuya skill now is linked. So now you can use Alexa for the voice control or control by your Alexa application. So you can see this H32 name, that the first channel is called switch and the second channel is called motor. So we can speak to Alexa. Alexa, turn on switch.
Okay.
Okay, you can see the switch is turned on, that is channel 1. So the mobile phone also is on. And Alexa, turn on motor.
Okay.
You can see the second, that's called motor. Alexa, turn off motor.
Okay.
Okay, you can see the motor is off. And we can test how much channel can be supported by the Tuya and by the Alexa. You can see I have created 31 and 32. So if you control 32 channel, you just speak to Alexa, turn on switch 32.
Okay.
Okay, you can see the 32 is on, and the mobile phone also is on. Alexa, turn on switch 31.
Okay.
Okay, you can see this is 31. Alexa, turn on H32BS.
Okay.
Okay, you can see all 32 channel is on, and my mobile phone all is on. That's just called H32BS, this device name. So if you want to turn all off of the H32BS, all channels, you just speak to Alexa. Alexa, turn off H32BS.
Did you mean H32BS?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, you can see all channel is off by this voice country, and the Alexa and the Tuya application is updated. So you can use country for any output channel. So you can use just on and off and country independently, or you can press all on and all off. So this by your mobile phone, and you can use voice country. And also, if you have used Tuya application, you can use the sense mode, and you can use the input sense and triangle output. So all support Tuya device, you can triangle the second brand product, triangle this H32BS, or use this H32BS, triangle that the third part of the product. And also you can see here smart, you can create many sense mode, and for the timer, you can see if you have used a timer, you can use this like this switch, and you can create schedule, and every day or every week, and what time is on and what time is off. So this is for time that will be used for. And also you can see here the setting. The setting here, that is 6th input state monitor. You can see I can use a Y. You can see I can use this Y. That is ground, black is ground. And I have short for this input. You can see the input 1 is turn green. And I remove this Y, so that the input will be recovered. So this is input 2, so that, and the input 6. So you can see here that can monitor the input state of your sensor. So this is also very useful function. So, and this update time is for every 6 seconds. So we have write the code in the Arduino, so that will be updated for every 6 seconds. So that this is how to use the Tuya application and for the voice country and by the S232. And now I can use this board and connect to H32B. You can see I can remove this power and remove this power and remove this network and remove this board. And this time I can use for H32B because this is really inside, so I can just connect to this COM port. And just power on. You can see I can power and power on. Then wait for a moment. Because this time the LED is not blink, we have already configured the SSID and the password. And the S232 protocol with the H32BS and H32B and any H32 relay controller is seen. So you can use this Tuya adapt for any relay controller, just H32 channel. And you can see I can press this button 1. You can see this is here is channel 1. So also I can turn on 32, that is 32, and turn off, and turn on 31, turn off 31, and use voice control. Alexa, turn on switch 31.
Okay.
You can see 31 is on. Alexa, turn off switch 31.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off switch 32.
Okay.
You can see 32 is off. So this board also can use for H32B, so that will be work fine. Okay, now I will show you how to use this board work with H32BS by RS485, because sometimes the board and the controller is long distance, so also can use. Okay, let's look at this solution. I will also record my mobile phone and for use Tuya control this system. And this time you can see this is Tuya module. You can see I have installed on the DIMM wheel. Maybe the H32BS is long distance with the Tuya module. So this time I have removed this jump. Jump, I have removed it because I have used RS485. This cable just use the C85 network cable. And this one, green and red, the green and the white is connected with this one, green and white. So I have used the whole. You can see this is 300 meters, and actually use 1000 meters is no problem. So I have used for the testing. So this cable, this point and this point, this two between 300 meters. So now we can use this Tuya application. You can see I can turn on the first channel. You can see the first channel is on, and also I can press this button, and this is off, and this is also off. You can see I press this button, that will be on, this on, and this second on, because this on first and update state second to this application, to mobile phone. So you can see I can turn on, and also I can turn all on, so that I can press, that will be all on, and I can press this all off, so that will all off firstly, then second will update the state. So the voice control also is no problem. You can see I can speak, Alexa, Alexa, turn on switch.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off switch.
Okay.
So you can see a voice control also is no problem. So you can use the same way, just click me. If you want to use the Google Home, you just Google Assistant, just enable and link with your Google Home account. So that will be as soon as you use this Alexa speak, will be very easy. Okay, this is how to use the Tuya adapt for KinCony 32 channel relay controller. That will be for voice control and by the Tuya application. Okay, thanks for watching.